Cyprian of Carthage, De Catholicae Ecclesiae Unitate, Episode 3. Facilior cautio est ubi manifesta formido est, et ad certamen animus ante praestruitur, quando se adversarius confitetur. Cyprian continues, and he begins with the comparative adjective facilior, which is feminine singular and nominative, because it modifies the subject cautio, in the same gender number and case. And so he says, caution, or being on one's guard, care, is, facilior, is easier. And then we have a subordinate clause. When, ubi, the formido, the fear or the trepidation, is obvious, manifesta. Manifesta and formido are also feminine singular and nominative. And, he continues, the soul, animus, which we could also translate as mind, this is masculine singular nominative as the subject of praestruitur, and the mind is equipped, praestruitur, is equipped beforehand, is previously equipped for the contest, ad certamen. This preposition ad goes always and only with the accusative, i.e. certamen, which is also neuter and singular, and it is used in instances like this to indicate purpose or preparation. And the soul is equipped beforehand for the battle, for the contest, and then we have another subordinate clause, quando through confitetur. When, that is, in those instances, when one's opponent or adversary, this is masculine singular nominative, the subject, when the adversary or the opponent, confitetur, acknowledges or reveals himself. Confitetur is a second conjugation deponent verb. The infinitive is confiteri, like so, and it takes se, masculine singular and accusative, as its object. It is reflexive. So we see that Cyprian uses in this short sentence a kind of parallel structure. Cautio est facilior, ubi manifesta, etc., subordinate clause, et animus ante praestruitur, and then quando through confitetur, subordinate. The first subordinate clause introduced by ubi, the second by quando, and these are synonyms.